Look what we've got.
What is
Oh,
it?
you got a toilet.
It's candy flush bowl. It's a toilet.
Open it.
Don't tell me you're going to eat the candy from the toilet.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah. Come on. Oh my god. That was very hard. So gladly Daddy helped us. Now let's see what's inside.
Open the toilet bowl.
There is some tape here, so we have to
Stinky.
take that off. So there's the powder inside the toilet. So we're gonna pour it inside the toilet, and then we'll use the lollipops to plunge it.
Ah, plunge it. All right,
Plunge.
go on then.
This is how you do it. So as you see in the compartment, there's nothing really there, but it is possible to open this. Now what you do is you open the packet and then you pour it into the bowl. Then you either open the lollipops or do that before you put the powder in, and then you dip it in, and then you eat it.
Here is Savannah.
Okay, I'll pour it in. Guys, show me. Show me your toilets.
Then you
Yeah. And
Strawberry. Okay. I guess mine's gonna be apple or lime. I think apple.
is it sour though?
Yeah, it is. Because
Is
it's
it?
called sour.
Oh.
It's sour. It said on the box it's sour. Sour
Here you go,
candy.
then. It's yours.
Thank you. Okay, let's try. That's good. Mmm. It's great. It's like powder. It is powder.
And how much is that?
£2. €2.
Sure, that's not bad.
And 80 pounds. No, £1.
€1.80.
Yep.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Would you recommend everyone to buy that? It's good fun.
Yeah, they're good. My one is not sour, but it's very sweet. It's still really good.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? You guys are sharing the toilet and putting it in the mouth.
Well, I'm just plunging the toilet. I'm just plunging the toilet. What's wrong
Nothing
with that?
wrong with that, yeah?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. What do you think I'm doing? I'm cleaning your toilet. I have no more lollies. I have a better idea.
And the water.
Oh yeah. I really feel it's kind of fizzy when you put that in. Guys, please can you subscribe? It's very helpful, and also please like. We really like this. What's not all I do? Put your finger into your mouth. Okay. Anyways, yeah, please subscribe and like the video, and also share it with your friends and family.